Hey, how's it going? This is Darling with realmeaning.info. All right, I'm back again to show you how to do things in a real and easy way, step by step. So today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to summarize your YouTube videos. Okay, before we get started though, click the subscribe button and the like button because I already know you're going to like this video. I'm telling you in an easy step-by-step way how to do something that's usually hard to do. So click like, okay? All right, let's get going. Thank you. Step 1, under the video description, you're going to see more. Click that word, more. Step 2, you're going to click on Show Transcript. Step 3, when the transcript comes up, you're going to see 3 little dots, okay? Click on those dots, and then you're going to see something that says Toggle Timestamps. Click on that. Once again, click on Toggle Timestamps. Step 4, with your mouse, you're going to start from the very top, and you're going to highlight the entire transcript all the way down. Okay, and I mean all the way down, from the top all the way down. Step 5, you're going to right click on your mouse. With the left side of your mouse, choose copy, and you're going to copy that transcript. Or another way you can copy that transcript, make sure it's highlighted. It stays highlighted though. With your keyboard, you can click on Control plus C. All right, step 6, go to your ChatGPT website or app and then log into your account. Step 7, click on New Chat. Step 8, click inside the chat box or the message box, whichever you want to call it. Step 9, what you want to do first is type summarize this transcript, put a semicolon, and then paste. Right click on your mouse and then click on paste, and then everything that you've copied, the transcript that you've copied, will paste inside of the ChatGPT message box. Step 10, hit enter on your keyboard. That's it. That's it, baby. That's it. That's it. All 10 steps. You did it. Aren't you proud of yourself? Drop the mic. That's it. Let me know how you like this video though. If you have any questions and things like that, if I missed something, if I missed a particular step or something like that, please let me know. All right. All right. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.